Portable projectors are getting better every year, but most of them still force you to choose between easy portability and big screen performance. XGIMI is trying to change that with its new Elfin Flip series, led by the Elfin Flip 4K and joined by the more affordable Elfin Flip Laser. These projectors are designed to be compact enough to carry from room to room while still delivering a premium home entertainment experience. Instead of the usual box-shaped projector that needs a separate stand, the Elfin Flip models feature a slim, book-like design with a built-in carry handle and adjustable stand. It looks clean on a coffee table and is easy to move between your bedroom, living room, or any other indoor space. The stand can tilt up to 150 degrees, making setup quick and flexible. The Elfin Flip 4K is the star of the lineup. It uses an RGB Triple Laser light source that delivers up to 1,600 ISO lumens of brightness, along with an impressive 20,000 to 1 dynamic contrast ratio. XGIMI also promises excellent color performance with 110% BT 2020 color coverage and highly accurate color reproduction, bringing it much closer to premium home theater projectors than typical portable models. Another standout feature is its optical zoom. With a 0.98 to 1.3 to 1 throw ratio, you can adjust the image size without constantly moving the projector closer or farther from the wall. Even with these premium features, the projector remains compact, measuring just under 10 inches wide and weighing only about 1.55 kilograms. Setting up the projector is designed to be almost effortless. It automatically handles autofocus, keystone correction, screen alignment, obstacle avoidance, wall color adjustment, and even includes eye protection features. The goal is simple: turn it on and start watching without wasting time adjusting the picture. Entertainment is built right in thanks to Google TV, giving you easy access to popular streaming apps like Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, and many more. Sound comes from built-in 7-watt Harman Kardon speakers with Dolby audio support. So you won't necessarily need external speakers for a great viewing experience. Gamers also get plenty to like. At 1080p with a 120 Hz refresh rate, XGIMI claims an ultra-low 1 millisecond input lag. Features like variable refresh rate, auto low latency mode, black equalizer, virtual crosshair, and a dedicated gaming picture mode help make fast-paced games feel smoother and more responsive. For anyone looking to save some money, the Elfin Flip Laser offers many of the same features in the same compact design. It keeps the RGB light source, Google TV, and Harman Kardon audio, but lowers the resolution to 1080p and reduces the dynamic contrast ratio to 10,000 to 1. It also weighs slightly less at around 1.38 kilograms. The Elfin Flip 4K launches with a price of $999, while the Elfin Flip Laser comes in at $799. Both models aim to deliver the convenience of a portable projector without sacrificing the performance you'd expect from a living room entertainment system. The big question now is whether XGIMI has finally found the perfect balance between portability and premium viewing.